everybody, Brian back here with a look at Kaspa. As you can see, we got the breakout right here. Okay, I'm going to go through the RSIs here. Looks like we should be moving up here. So we're going to go through everything here, look at some price targets, and look where this thing should be headed. We've been waiting long enough, huh? We started this downfall back here. When is this? February 19th. All right, we peaked out here, and we've been kind of just going down ever since. All right, looks like we hit a bottom through here, caught support down here at about 10 cents. So we're going to go through this here in a second. I'm going to show you guys what should be going on here. Over here with Bitcoin, all right, first off, looks like a, I apologize about that. Let me get that out of there. Looks like a fifth wave coming up here. All right, if you zoom out on this thing, it's either a fifth wave or an ABC, and it looks like a fifth wave. All right, looks like you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 coming up here. All right, the target for Bitcoin out of this. Look at this nice candle starting on this thing. This is on a weekly chart, and look at that weekly RSI. All right, that all lines up with the fifth wave coming in. Absolutely. So let's take a look at a measurement here. You got the weekly RSI heading up. If you put a Fibonacci on here, you'd be looking for 1618. All right, which is right up here on 84,000 bucks. And pull this down just a hair. There we go. Now, as far as the other RSIs go, the daily, this is where I think this thing's going to start moving here. All right, we got that daily right near the top, but all right, looks like you got 5 waves starting in here. All right, if you're not familiar with Elliott waves, guys, the market moves in waves. Usually sets of 5, sets of 3. You can go sideways like this and have ABC corrections in here. All right, but always you always have waves that the thing is moving in. All right, this thing here looks just like a big four wave pullback. All right, on the daily it looks like a lot, but if you go out on a weekly, look at that. Don't look like much at all, really. All right, so yeah, moves up in sets of 5. Looks like here you have a 1, 2 started, 1, 2. If this is a third wave starting for Bitcoin, this thing should start moving, pretty quick. All right, your third wave is normally your longest, strongest wave. It cannot be the shortest. 3, 4, and a fifth wave up here. All right, so this all would be inside of this bigger 5-wave system. Now, if we go through the other time frames, you got the 12-hour at the top. We have a 12-hour green candle. This thing is it's starting to move up, and you can see inside here even. You got shorter wave lengths starting inside. I apologize there. The wind caught my door and closed it. It's beautiful here. I got my garage door excuse me, open here. Enjoying the weather, man. Thank God summer's here. I just wintertime is just, it puts a beat on me anymore. Just don't like it too much. Like to think of move out of here eventually, find a nice warmer climate. We got the 4-hour. The 4-hour is pulling down here. All right, but we got the 3-day. You got the 3-day just turning up. You got the 5-day. All of this is pointing. Look at the 5-day. The 3-day, the 5-day, the weekly, all of it's pointing towards the upside for Bitcoin, all right, which is obviously going to pull the rest of the market up. The crypto bubbles over here. Look at Chainlink. Starting to make a move here. Love Chainlink. Everything's green. You got Flare Network here. Geez, I got that Flare airdrop the last bull run for holding XRP. Flare. They have $1 billion market cap now, ranked number 76. So good to see them doing something from 0.028. Most of the people sold their Flare as soon as they got it back in the airdrop, because a lot of airdrops just usually turn out to be not worth a whole lot. Speaking of airdrops, let me come over here. Please, 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 guys, it's that time. Here we go again. All right. What to do after your first Kaspa airdrop claim? Please do not click on this stuff. Nobody, you're not getting a Kaspa airdrop. All right, these are scams. It's just typical bull run stuff. All right, you see stuff coming out, and a lot of fake airdrops, stuff like that. Don't fall for any of that, please. Nobody on YouTube is going to give you is celebrating a milestone. We're going to give you back 50% or 100% of your tokens. All you got, you know what I mean? Please don't link into any of that. They do this every bull run. I don't understand why that stuff isn't taken down. It seems it's an obvious scam. But it's a shame. There's people out there that get sucked into it and end up losing everything they got. 24-hour liquidations, 117.6 million. That's down almost 22%. Open interest, 60.8 billion, creaking back up, plus 3.25%. 24-hour volume for the whole market is down 12.85% at 124.7 billion. You have more longs than shorts out there right now. That's what it's looking like. Looks like Bitcoin, like I said, moving up for that next wave up. Over here on Kaspa, FYI, transactions and blocks per second. We'll see what happens here in a second. But look at this, 251 petahash. I was looking at miners last night, and it's amazing. Like Doge, the petahash over there is not even anywhere in the same area as Kaspa, not even the same planet, not to bash anything else, out there at all, because I am not about that, but it's amazing. Yeah, this petahash is fantastic. Over here on the volume, 24.8 million. Wow, that's really down. Rank number 40, market cap $2.894 billion, and right now we stand at the price at 0.1223. That's plus 2.6%. We look at the addresses over here. If I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe, guys, I'd appreciate that so very much. Definitely helps me out, and I would definitely appreciate that. Let's just see this load up here. And a big shout out to the members, as always. You guys are the best, the best, in the world. I appreciate it so very much. You have no idea. Over 200 members in the members group. Thank you so much, guys. And just a quick, if you're interested in joining up, it's a level 3 membership for $14.99. You get a link to our Discord, and you get 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting these charts, look for bull run price targets, all that stuff, setting up your trading view, everything's in there for $15. So over here, the last 24 hours we're minus one whale. The last 7 days we're plus one. The last 1 hour we've added a shark. The last 24 hours, you can see here, the last 24 hours, I don't understand when we're in breakout area here, minus one whale. It kind of stumps me there. That's a lot. 10 million. If you sell 10 million Kaspa right now, and that thing heads up even another penny, that's a lot of money. 0.01 at times 10 million. Yeah, seems like a lot to me. Maybe it's not to some people, but over here on this chart, guys, this chart looks absolutely perfect. All right, you can see here, this totally looks like a wave 1, 2 started here, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. All right, the target, for this thing, short term is a move up here, right up to that 14.7. All right, that would give us a break of that area that we've been looking to take out here, right about the same. Though, look at that, lines right up with that 618 that we've been looking at here, I believe. Let's take a look here. This was over here, right? Yeah, right down through here. Nope, that would take it out. Yeah, the 618 is right through here. This white line on here, that's the area that we've been pretty concerned about, right around 13 cents. That would take that out and then flip it into support. That's what we want to see. All right, the daily RSI on here, heading up. Okay, heading straight up. We got the smaller time frames. The 12 is heading up. And look at this thing. Absolutely perfect. The fake out, you can say, well, we broke out here, nothing happened. This was a fake out. You had a bullish engulfing candle, and then you had a bearish engulfing candle eat it up. Fake out. People set buy orders up here. You know what I mean? Trying to trick. If you get a breakout, oh, I got a buy order set right here for a long. Well, that long gets activated right there, and then it gets taken out and stop lost. People. That's why you'll see fake outs. It's for leverage traders. You set that long right here for a breakout. You're thinking, oh, if it hits 13 cents, I have a breakout. Well, 13 cents gets activated, and then it gets taken out. But here, this is a totally valid breakout right here. Right? There's no bearish engulfing candles. We have a retest, and this thing is looking fine. On the 8-hour, we're still bullish and heading up here. Okay, and on the 3-day and the 5-day, Kaspa looks absolutely ready to go. 3 days bullish. The 5-day is just turning up, and you got the weekly. Let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly is bullish here. All right, some targets I'm going to be looking for Kaspa is right up around that 618 here, okay, of this whole move. That's the area. That should be that blue line right there. That's the area where we're really going to want to pay attention here. It's actually up here at 15.5 cents. Okay, that is going to be a key area to take out. That 15.5. We take out 17. We're heading up towards that 24.5, 25 cents. I believe that's where we're heading. Me personally, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, all that stuff, guys. But I totally believe we're heading up to this 24.5. I think we're going to blow through 15.5. Bitcoin makes this move up to 84,000 bucks. Everything is going to run. How much of a move is that up? That is, let's see here. Let's pull this over. It's a 100% move, 116%. All right, that would get people excited again about Kaspa, get people back in the market. They're going to buy, this 24.5 cent. Then we're probably going to have an ABC pullback, I would imagine, just like Bitcoin is going to do. But anyway, things are looking fine. I'm looking for watch that 15.5 cents. That first move up to 14.7, then 15.5. That's going to be the area that we're really going to have to take out. We're going to put a box in here. Please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate that so very much. And we'll see what happens here. But I believe this market's getting ready to go. This is the area we got to bust through. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you soon, guys.